Isaac, say cheese. Ooh, I hear a plane. Where's the plane? Do you see it? Is that the plane? Is this how you like to play outside? Diaper and shoes? Just diaper and shoes? That's all? Where are you going? Are you just doing laps? You want to go in because it's so cold out here? Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Cheese. Say cheese. No, don't grab it. Just say cheese. Are you going in? Okay, we're going in now. Hi, honey. Are you trying to close mommy out? Woo!